A famous millionaire had once said that the only thing between you and your dream is your damn story which you keep telling yourself as why you can't achieve it. A very warm good morning to our honorable judges and my dear fellow mates. I, Aditya, Parth, Rahul, Karan, we are all standing here to give a financial analysis about the company.
So let us start with this presentation with a question. आप सबको पैसे पसंद हैं? All right, सबको पसंद है obviously. So let us say that a person from here had a means to achieve it. वो पर्सन था, उस पर्सन ने ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन बिल्कुल तुम लोग जैसा है, पर फिर भी उसने उसका एक आइडिया था, बस एक आइडिया। वो आइडिया जो था 250 मिलियन रुपए की डॉलर का था। क्या था वो?
Well. The suspense still remains that who was this genius guy who had earned $250 million from the public in just few years? Well, he was none other than Mr. Jordan Belfort, who was the founder of the Stratton Ackerman Incorporation, an investment banking company located in Long Island, New York, United States, began its operations in the year 1989 and was shut down in the year 1996. Because Stratton Ackerman was not a real Wall Street firm, either literally or figuratively. Belfort and his accomplices were fined due to signature fraud and other dozens of repetitions. Let me tell you how. Have you ever heard about the term penny stocks? Anyone? Let me tell you that what penny stocks actually are. These are the stocks in United States which cost for less than $5. Let me tell you that how Stratton Ackerman had earned millions of it. Let us take an example that the price of each share is $4. And the company's target is to reach the price up to $12. Usually, the penny stocks are of highly volatile nature. It means that it keeps on increasing and decreasing in every few minutes depending on the market conditions. So let us assume that it keeps on increasing to $4.25, $4.5, and it goes on and on until it reaches to $12. So the runaway from $4 to $12 can be accomplished in minutes, since it was a common trend during the 1990s. And once it reaches the $12 target, the Stratton Ackerman sell all its stocks to the customers, and due to the increase in supply of these stocks, the stock price crashes down back to $4. This entire process is what we call it as the pump and dump scheme, where the pump means the rise in prices of these stocks and dump means the fall in the prices of these stocks. Let's go ahead with my friend.
Now let's try to understand how this manipulation works. The first thing they did was to select a business, and business then meant any entity whose stocks they could go with. Now once they selected the stock, the investors, they have to select the investor, and now they start selling the stocks which were profitable once, twice, thrice, until the investors have gained confidence in them. When the confidence was established, they would tell them that a really hot IPO was coming soon in the market. Let's say it was a $4. Now an excited customer would buy 25,000 such shares, which makes it to $100,000, on which the brokers earned 50% as commission, because these were penny stocks, which makes it to $50,000. Now let's see with the help of this video how they manipulated these.
have made $250 million in just 5 years. But at the end, the company was subject to numerous legal actions by various legal agencies in the beginning of 1989. Firm was shut down in 1996, and in 1999, Belfort was another compliances were convicted for securities fraud. The easiest way to make money is as according to Belfort was create something of value that everybody wants. Money comes automatically.